Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, I have put together the Dollar General glitch list for us, and we have a total of 25 glitches. But before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Now, also, before we get into the glitches, I do want to go ahead and remind everybody that I have already uploaded a ton of videos for you all this week. We've got P&G spin deals, we have instant savings, we had a huge penny list, plus we have glitches and a ton of new coupon matchups. So if you've missed out on any of those videos, make sure that you go and check them out. They're all going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. And one last thing before we get into the glitches, because I know that we have some amazing new DG couponers out there, and I do want to say welcome to everybody. Thank you all so much for being here, but I want you guys to keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time because they are simply just that. They're a glitch in the system. So it is very important when you are in the store to scan each and every item with your DG app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also you want to scan each item to price check because prices can vary from store to store. Alright, so first up, we have this glitch still going on with the Energizer / Rayovac cashback offer. It's 50 cents back, but this cashback offer is glitching and working on the Ever-Ready C and D batteries. They're priced at $4.50. So after you get your 50 cents back, that's going to make your final price $4. Alright, next up, we still have this 3 off 10 DG store coupon on Dove products. This coupon is glitching on a lot of Dove products. So first up, we have the Dove 1.6 ounce twin packs of deodorants. These are priced at $5 each. If you pick up 2, that's going to put you at the $10 mark. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $7, but you're getting 4 deodorants. Now, if you don't like the powder scent of the Dove deodorants, don't worry because there are several of the 1.6 ounce Dove deodorants that are working with this coupon. We have the Fresh Scent, Cool Essentials. Then we also have the travel size shampoos and conditioners also working with this coupon, as well as the Cool Essentials Dove Dry Spray travel size. Those are $2.65. And then we also have the Cool Essentials Travel Stick Deodorants as well. So here's just another quick scenario that I put together for you all. If you want to use this coupon, you can pick up 3 Dove 1.6 ounce deodorants priced at $3 each and one of the Dove Travel Size Stick Deodorants at $1.75. That's going to put your subtotal at $10.75. After that 3 off 10 comes off, you're going to pay $7.75 for all 4 products. Now, we also still have this 2 off 1 digital coupon for the Dove Beauty Bars. Now, this coupon is glitching and working on the Cherry Scent 3-pack. Those are priced at $4.75, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.75. All right, next up, we got a 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Dove, Axe, and Suave products. This coupon is glitching and working on the Dove Men Travel Sized Body Wash. They're priced at $2, so after the coupon, you're going to pay just $1. Now, we also have this 3 off 1 digital coupon for the Dove Pump Body Washes. This coupon is glitching and working on the Dove Men Plus Care Travel Size Body Wash priced at $2. So after the coupon, you're going to pay just 1 penny. Next up, we've got a 2 off 1 manufacturer coupon for Axe products. Plus, we have this 2 off 2 DG store coupon on Axe products. These coupons are glitching and working on the 1.7 ounce Axe deodorants. So if you pick up 2, use both of those coupons, you're going to pay $2 for 2. Now, if you just want to pick up one of the Axe 1.7 ounce deodorants at $3, you can use that 2 off 1 manufacturer coupon plus the 1 off 1 DG store coupon, and that is going to make it completely free. All right, next up, we have this 5 off 1 digital coupon on the Caesar multi-packs. This coupon is glitching and working on the Caesar Wet Dog Food 6-packs. So these are priced at $8. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3. Keep in mind, some accounts may have that $5 cashback offer, and those are stacking. So if you pick that up with that cashback offer, that's going to make it completely free, plus a $2 moneymaker. Next up, we've got this 2 off 1 digital coupon for the Airwick products. This coupon is glitching and working on the Airwick scented oil warmers. They're priced at $2.25, so after the coupon, you're going to pay 25 cents. Next up, we've got a cashback offer for 75 cents back on the Finish Power dishwasher tablets. This is glitching and working on the Finish 4-count dishwasher tablets priced at $1. So that's going to make your final price just 25 cents. All right, rolling right along, we have a 1 off 1 digital coupon for the Degree deodorants. This coupon is glitching and working on the 1.7 ounce men's and the 1.6 ounce women's deodorants. These are priced at $2.65, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.65. All right, next up, we got a 50 cent off 2 digital coupon on the General Mills fruit snacks. So this coupon is glitching. It's working on the fruit roll-ups, the Mott's fruit snacks. We also have the fruit by the foot and the gushers. All of those are found in the dollar aisle for $1 each. Pick up 2. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.50 for 2. Next up, we got a 1-off-1 digital coupon for the Tide Simply products. This coupon is glitching and working on the Downy Rinse and Refresh 48 fluid ounce bottles. These are priced at $12.95, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $11.95. Then we also have this 50-cent off 1 digital coupon for the Pepto products. This coupon is glitching and working on the 12-count Pepto chewables. These are priced at $3, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. Next up, we got a 3-off-1 digital coupon on the Gain laundry products. This coupon is glitching and working on the Tide Ultra Oxy 32-count pods or the large liquid laundry detergents. Those are priced at $15.95, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $12.95. Next up, we got a 4-off-1 digital coupon for the Swiffer products. This coupon is glitching, working on the Swiffer Duster Starter Kits. Those are priced at $5.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.50. Now, we also have this 1-off-1 digital coupon for the Pantene products. This coupon is glitching and working on the Pantene travel-sized shampoos and conditioners. So pick up one of those at $1.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay 75 cents. And then we also received this 5-off-3 digital coupon for the Pantene products. This coupon is also glitching and working on the Pantene travel-sized shampoos and conditioners. So pick up a total of 3 of those. Use the coupon. You're going to pay 25 cents for all 3. Next up, we got a $1.50-off-2 digital coupon for the Crystal Light drink mixes. This coupon is glitching and working on the Country Time Pink Lemonade 6-count. Those are priced at $1.50 each, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $1.50 for 2. Now we also have a 50-cent off 1 digital coupon for the Bounty paper towels. This coupon is glitching and it is working on the 1-count Bounty Essential paper towels. They're $1 found in the dollar aisle. So after the coupon, you're going to pay 50 cents. Next up, got a 2-off-1 digital coupon for the ZzzQuil products. This coupon is glitching and working on the 8-count liquid caps or the 4 fluid ounce liquid nighttime sleep aids. Those are priced at $4.35. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.35. All right, moving right along, here's another fantastic deal. We have a 5-off-3 digital coupon for the Tresemme products. This coupon is glitching and working on the Tresemme hair masks. You can pick up the recovery or the smoothing hair mask. Those are priced at $2 each, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $1 for 3. All right, next up, we've got a 4-off-2 digital coupon on the Colgate products. This coupon is glitching and working on the Colgate Max White toothbrush. Those are priced at $3 each, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2 for 2. Now, this coupon is also glitching and working on the Colgate Slim Soft charcoal toothbrush. Those are priced at $3.35, but I messed up on this slide. You're going to be paying $2.70 for 2. Sorry about that, guys. Sometimes mistakes just happen, so keep in mind it's $2.70 for 2, not $2.35 for 2. All right, next up, we've got a brand new glitch. This is a cashback offer for 50 cents back on the Papermate products, but it is glitching and working on the Big Whiteout. Those are priced at $1, so that's going to make your final price just 50 cents. And last but certainly not least, we have the Mr. Clean glitch. Now, I do want to warn you guys about this one. You have to scan this in the store to make sure that the digital coupon does attach, because this one may or may not work. We have a 50-cent off 1 digital coupon. It is showing in the app as attaching to the 1-count Mr. Clean Magic Erasers found in the dollar aisle. So if you pick one of those up, make sure that you scan it. If the coupon attaches, you're going to pay 50 cents. Now, we also have a 1-off 2 digital coupon for the same product. So if you want to pick up 2, use that 1-off 2. You're going to pay $1 for 2 of the Mr. Clean 1-count Magic Erasers. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me for now, but y'all make sure that you stick around because I have even more deals to share with y'all. So, before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you on the next one.